Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, I will presentation about how to make a mini fruit pie. Now, let's start. First step, the ingredients. You need material for the pie crust. We need in here 250 grams of flour, 150 grams margarine, 350 grams of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, and the last one is 2 egg yolks. You need 1 whole egg. Okay, let's move. For the flour material, you need 500 milliliter of whole milk, or we call it liquid milk, and 1 tablespoon of margarine, 100 grams of sugar, 4 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a quarter grams of salt, 50 grams of cornstarch, and the last one is topping. We need 1 canned citrus fruit, red and green cherry. Actually, for the topping, you can use anything what you want. It's up to you. But in here, because I make a fruit pie, I need citrus fruit because it's very fresh and make the pie look so delicious. Okay, next. The second step. Mix all the ingredients. Stir until smooth and can be shaped. Wrap the dough in plastic and then put in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. The purpose is to make the pie crust more crunchy. You can look at the picture. Okay, next. The third step. Prepare a pie mold and then spread it first with margarine. Roll out the dough that has been formed. Before baking, pierce the base of the dough using a fork and then oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes and until cooked. After that, set aside. The fourth step. For flour, cook the whole milk and margarine first until they dissolve. In another bowl, beat the eggs, sugar, vanilla, and salt until pale, then add the cornstarch. Stir. Pour a little of the milk mixture into the egg mixture. Stir until blended. Then, pour in all the remaining dough and cook over low heat until thick. Set aside. Final step. Fill the pie with flour, then arrange the fruit on top according to taste. You can see the picture. It's really fresh from the oven, right? And the fruit is very fresh from the canned. Don't worry, because the canned fruit is not smelly. It's like fruit in the common, right? Okay, and finish. Now you can enjoy homemade mini fruit pies with a taste that is no less different for expensive pies. Okay, that's all about my presentation about how to train in this material. Thank you and stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.